Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome. By creating a shortcut in Chrome, it will make it easier for you to reopen websites that you often open. The first step, please open the Google Chrome that you want to add a shortcut to. I will give an example using Google Chrome. You can log in first using your WhatsApp, because this is just an example. I assume this is already logged in. After you create a shortcut, you just click on the shortcut to open the website. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.